Hello everyone. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so please don't expect a lot. But at the same time, I'm thrilled and excited to make this video. Uh, so I did something like this in the past where we created a new short film, couple of minutes, and my director played me as a lead role. But frankly, when I saw it on myself on the screen, it was pathetic. So I don't have big hopes with this video, but I will try my level best. Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about three main things: you and me. Second is what we need help from all of you, and third is about Captain's Talk, a new show. Okay, so I'll start with you and me. As of now, we're calling ourselves, like all of us are calling ourselves as Gen X. I'm representing as Gen X. The old name is Western Sydney. We created this club or association like a couple of years ago when bunch of friends basically were playing with different teams, and we just wanted to club and form a single community. uh, right, we all came from different countries, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and when we came here, most of us don't know anyone, or we may know very few, right? So it was a new country for us, and when we still came here, and we came up with our families. What we need here, like to ensure that someone is there to help us out, to show us the path. So I think forming the community was one of the reasons, and sport is one of the way we can all come together. uh, I would say that there is a reason we formed this community, that if or I would say I was greedy to form this community, I was needy to form this community, so that if I need any help, or if my family or friends need any help, I needed someone I can call and say, can you please help me out? Or if someone in India basically needs any help, so I may have any contact, who may have some other contact, or who may have job. So I think the major reason for forming this community for the same reason. And there are many students here who are looking for jobs. There are many businessmen who has got jobs, and they can get the jobs for those time. But we can find all kind of helps in this community. That's the whole reason for this formation, and I'm really glad that we came so far. The major credits is to committee members, first of all, because of their help. Without their help, it would have not been possible. So thanks to them. I'm gonna talk about each and every committee member in couple of videos in future. So I don't want to name all of them now. You just have to wait for it. Uh, and in this point, I think that's it. The only thing I want to say about this point is, if you are helping us in building this community bigger and bigger as a sponsor, I would say hats off. Basically, salute to you guys. If you are a friend who is playing this tournament, a Gen X tournament, then thank you very much for being part of it. If you are a friend who is not playing but supporting this tournament, then thank you very much. Really appreciate it for that. That's it for point one, you and me. Next point is about need help. I think the most important thing I want all of you, as a captain, as a player, as an umpire, everyone is, uh, or I'd say three things I need in this need help. First is respect each other. Uh, that I think that's the most important thing. We should respect each other, whether it's a small, maybe big player, small player coming from the ground for the first time, have played a lot of games, but really want each other to respect. Okay, I think you will feel a big difference when you start doing that. You will have more and more friends, and you will be more happy, is what I have learned myself. The second help I need from all of you is, try to ignore small mistakes of each other. uh, we have seen it as a committee. We try to ignore each other's. If it is a small mistake by some other team, we try to ignore it. But sometimes we have to put some penalty, so to ensure that the same thing doesn't happen and harm anyone. But as a player or as a captain, I would suggest that if you can ignore opponent's team small issues or errors, please do that. I know most of you are already doing it, but if you do more, that will really help. The third, I think, the most important help is if you can spread this love across others, tell more people about Genex. That will really help because we want to form bigger and bigger community. It's a non-for-profit organization, so we are not expecting any money out of it. It just friends. As of now, I can say I've got 500 friends. I'm so proud myself, and I keep telling others I've got 500 friends whom I can call and know in Sydney. So thank you. The last thing, Captain's Talk. It's this is something new we wanted. Before that, this video is on Genex channel. So we have formed a new YouTube channel called Genex. So we are a YouTuber now. So we want to start a new channel or new, I would say, a new show called Captain's Talk. In the Captain's Talk, what we wanted to bring up is we wanted to hear each other's view, to understand what they think before the game, and to learn out of it, to have some fun, because most of us, we only know the opponent's team at the time of playing, and also we don't talk to them a lot. So this will give us an opportunity to know each other. I wanted to make this, or I wanted to start this show a long back, but unfortunately our digital marketing team, whom we have hired to help us out, were not available, and we wanted to start with some more and more promotions, but unfortunately they're not available and I can't wait anymore. So I thought, let's start with something. Maybe first couple of videos you will not see any kind of editing with it, because we just wanted to publish what all the hard work has done by all the other captains. So we want to publish that, and that's what you're gonna see. So first of all, I want to apologize to Beat Blue, because they're the first team who has given me the video, and couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't posted till now. And the whole reason was I wanted to do editing so that it looks more and more nicer and shiny and all those things. But as of now, sorry for them. I'll probably post it now because it's been long and I can't wait for more. So what the idea is, in this show, we will ask all the team captains or main players or anyone to come across. I've got a couple of questions for them, 7 or 8 questions. They can pick any questions out of them. Questions were more across, like what is the strategy, how the team is formed, who will be the top 4 contender, what you're going to talk about the tournament. So there are a lot many questions you will see in the videos. And so I've decided that what we're going to do in this show is every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. I'm going to post, or we are going to, as a committee, we are going to post one of the team's video. So again, I'm telling you, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. we are going to post it on our YouTube channel. So you will see one of the other captains talking about it, and hopefully you all will like it. If you have any feedbacks about all this, please post it in the channel itself or below the videos. Or if you want to add something, you can come to our website, genexsports.com.au. You can contact us on Facebook, all those places. You just put your feedbacks. We'll be looking forward to it. That's it from my side, and thank you again for being part of it. And hopefully Genex Sports will give you more and more friendship, and you will have fun and enjoyment. Thank you very much.